Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in India and abroad, scholarships and fellowships from different universities, organizations and countries, and job vacancies in India and abroad. In the present video I would like to talk about Capgemini. Capgemini India kickstarts 2021 with 19,000 vacancies. With 19,000 open positions in India, Capgemini reportedly will be hiring a mix of both technology and operational roles, with the former focused on new digital technologies. French IT firm Capgemini has kickstarted 2021 with 19,000 open positions in India. Reportedly, the IT giant will be hiring a mix of both technology and operational roles, with the former focused on new digital technologies. Given an unusual high hiring number for 2021, Capgemini refrained from any comments. However, Anil Kumar Singh, head of talent acquisition Capgemini India, said that with the pandemic having forced companies to let their staff work from home, the emphasis is shifting to cloud-based solutions, remote tech services, and cyber security. This in turn has given a boost to the IT sector as there is a demand for skills in new age technologies like digital and cloud. Singh said. In 2020, Capgemini hired over 12,000 freshers in the country, and with a headcount of 1.42 lakh employees, India accounts for over of the company's global strength and is Capgemini's largest delivery engine. Driving transformation to deliver data and artificial intelligence infused businesses, Capgemini has a global team of over 25,000 professionals. With increasing focus on emerging technologies, digital and cloud together account for more than 50% of the company's business, growing over 20% in 2019, sharing how the firm has witnessed a significant ramp up in deals and business around hyperscalers among customers. Singh added, clients are looking at going beyond traditional areas for cloud-led transformations such as core systems or complex back-office digitization, which are larger and complex programs. The new programs require significant ramp-ups and skills across technologies and domain areas, which become a natural cause for hyperscalers to partner with IT services organizations, he added. Capgemini's growing efforts in this space are noteworthy, affirming the French IT giant's renewed focus on engineering, turbocharged with the acquisition of Altran in 2019, aimed at becoming a world leader in intelligent industry. President of ISG EMEA and partner digital advisory services, Steve Hall, explained that as engineering engagements create the next generation of Industry 4.0 and Internet of Things enabled applications, the manufacturing sector, which is leading the charge, is a major focus and growth area for Capgemini. Hall added that engineering services application services are expanding across the market as enterprises accelerate their digital journeys. With the accelerated efforts to re-engineer and become a world leader in intelligent industry, having a skilled workforce is a crucial element. After a rather turbulent and uncertain period, though uncertainty persists, building capabilities to work towards attaining renewed goals is imperative. India being Capgemini's largest delivery engine, the hiring numbers of 2021 sure constitute a critical piece in achieving the firm's vision. I hope this is very informative, and you can like this video and share this video among your friends and well-wishers. Please don't forget to press the bell icon, like this video and share this video among your friends and well-wishers. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. If you are watching this video from online, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.